Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Krikodeps. So if you don't know what this is, it is another one of those scam websites, scam casino websites. So as you can see, that what it looks like, it's basically an online casino where you can play games, and supposedly they have a lot of players online, and total registered players is 51 million, and total paid players is 24 billion plus dollars, which is quite outrageous to be honest. And as you can see, there are another 3 of these websites have the identical layout. They just have different names. So as you can see, the logo is the same, but the name is different. It's basically just an identical site. So even if you scroll down here, from head to toe, this website is the same. They just changed the name. So even here on Trustpilot, they're rated 3.7 with only 1 review. So this is basically just a fake review right here. So please guys, do not fall for scams like these. They're just phishing for your information. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.